So hi everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. And I'm really sorry that I could not post any kind of videos recently because I was somewhere busy doing some personal works here. But now I'm completely free and you'll be seeing more and more videos very soon. Today is a very special occasion here because we at RK Fitness Mantra, the particular gym where I always go, we are conducting the 5th Andhra bodybuilding competition here. And people from all around Andhra Pradesh, they have gathered here for doing this bodybuilding competition. And there at my back you can see all the prizes are getting settled over there. So very soon we are going to, distribute all the prizes among the winners. And now I'm going to directly show you the event that's going on.
You're standing your ground, ready to die on the hill that you built out of lies.
Easy boy!
You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
So guys, as you can see, my back over there, the event is going on, and we conduct this every year. RK Fitness Mantra in Vizag, they conduct this every year, and see the intensity of this, and it's quite stunning over here because people from all over Andhra Pradesh, they come from different districts here, and they try to compete with each other. And this, even though these are the tough times over here, people that have not given up on their health and they have continuously practiced. And now it's the time to see the result. Already the pull-up thing has been done. Now they are going to do the bar. That's basically the dips, as you call it, shoulder dip. So they'll be doing that over there. So here's Lokesh. So last time when we conducted it on the district level, he secured the 5th position, and this time he has given a very tough fight over here. And let's see, once the result comes out, we'll get to know what position he secures this time. So many congratulations, sir, and all the best. I hope you secure the top 3.
Twenty, 21, 4, 25, yeah.
So this is RK Bhaiya, who has organized this entire bodybuilding championship. And just now we witnessed the record dips over here. It's the record breaking dip, and he has done 102 dips over here. And
also 65.
And there's that guy sitting over there. I'll just show you.
Yes.
So there he is, sitting over there, giving pose for his fans. He did not only completed 102 dips over here, that's a state record. Also he completed 68 pull-ups on this bar.
Congratulations all participants. This is the 5th Andhra Bodybuilding Championship we are conducting here. So once again, congratulations all the winners. Thank you all supporters and blessings, your blessings.
So I wish those of you who are watching this video right now might be here next year.
Yes.
Same time, yeah?
Thank you everybody.
ओए डिप्स मारेगा और डिप्स मारेगा मारेगा तो गाइस जिम पे खड़े खड़े थक गया था तो मैं यहाँ आ गया। ये स्मोक्ड आउट बारबेक्यू है तो वो लगा हुआ है चिकन वहाँ पे ग्रिल होने में। ये एरिया मेरे को पता नहीं है, मैं ऐसे ही घूम रहा था कि कुछ खाने को मिल जाए तो यहाँ पे मैंने देखा ये है इनका स्मोक्ड आउट BBQ एंड ये देखिए लोकेशन नहीं पता मुझे
मुरली नगर पेस्ट्री शेफ ऑपोजिट।
वो रहा आपका मुरली नगर में पेस्ट्री शेफ एंड उसके एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट में
तंदूरी भी मिलेंगे। तंदूरी में डिफरेंट स्टाइल होता है ना, ये तो BBQ का स्टाइल है।
अभी इस पर नॉनवेज बन रहा था तो जस्ट फॉर द पीपल हु ईट वेजिटेरियन ओनली, तो ये लोग क्या करते हैं तो पूरा का पूरा साफ़ कर देते हैं दोबारा से सो दैट वेजिटेरियंस को कोई इशू ना हो एंड दे क्लीन इट ऑल। So we'll take Anu's reaction, हाँ। रुक जा चम्मच आन दे गरीब। Good?
सारी अंग्रेजी फट के निकलेगी।
रुक जा मैं मास्टर शेफ जैसा तेरे को रिएक्शन देता हूँ।
It's so juicy.
Oh my god.
The flavors are bursting in my mouth, you know. It's actually good. It's actually good, yeah. Yeah, and especially you need to try it with the mayonnaise.
सर बहुत अच्छा है सर सीरियसली बहुत अच्छा।